Welcome to Terra Naturals. Today in this video I would like to share Hibiscus Conditioner, Hibiscus Serum for longer shelf life with Bioenzymes. Fresh plucked hibiscus flowers are rich in vitamin C. It reduces hair fall, leaving thick volume of hair and gives a shiny effect. Let's get started. First I plucked fresh hibiscus flowers from my garden. Remove upper part and lower part like this. Wash the flowers and soak the flowers overnight. Similarly, soak almond gums overnight. Almond gums need more water to soak. Cover both with plates like this and let them rest. The next day, you can notice that the almond gums rised up more in quantity. Filter the excess water in the almond gums and grind it like this. If you soak more flowers, you can get more red color. I got only 15 flowers, so I get mild pinkish color. After squeezing with hands, grind the flowers and filter it. Add the excess soaked hibiscus water and mix it. The hibiscus serum or toner is ready. If you keep this toner as it is, it will get spoiled soon. So I am adding bioenzymes as a preservatives. I use diluted bioenzymes. I use citrus bioenzyme, neem bioenzyme and rose bioenzyme. Give a nice mix to the toner and transfer it into the spray bottle like this. If you add more hibiscus, you can get dark red color. Serum or toner is ready with shelf life to use. Use this serum after the hair wash. Dry your hair and apply this serum all over the hair and comb slightly. You can get tangle-free, shiny look even at first time itself. Just give a try and feel the shiny look for your hair. Let's get started to make the hibiscus conditioner. Add the leftover hibiscus in a jar and add the almond gum into it and grind it. That's all. The hibiscus conditioner is ready. Once give a try and feel the texture after doing this beautiful recipe to use. After shampooing your hair, apply the conditioner and leave for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it off. Transfer the conditioner into a bottle and seal with the inner cap and store it because we used bioenzyme as a preservative. There is no expiry date of both conditioner and serum if the bottles are properly sealed like this. So our hibiscus conditioner and hibiscus serum is ready. Start doing this simple recipe. You never buy any conditioners, toner or serum in the market. To know about bioenzymes and making of bioenzymes, stay tuned. I will share the tutorial of all the bioenzymes which I have tried. Orange bioenzyme, Mehandi bioenzyme, rose bioenzyme, neem bioenzyme, hibiscus bioenzyme, citrus bioenzyme, orange bioenzyme, tamarind bioenzyme, lemongrass bioenzyme, etc. Thanks for watching.